We've had quite a few questions on the proper way to use our liquid art. If you don't use the proper amount, you're gonna have issues. We're gonna take you through the right range of how much to use so that your liquid art application is perfect. Right now on Nail School. All right, Trace, liquid art, we need the information. Speak to us, please.
One of my favorite things to use is liquid art. It not only is a really cool way of changing things up, getting a see-through glass look, but it expands your glitter collection way beyond what you have on your wall. So what I want to do today is show you the correct way, because though very simple, if you don't do it correctly, you're gonna run into problems. So the mistake I made with liquid art is I thought because it is a color monomer that I could use it just straight. But here's the problem. If I put this in a dapping dish straight and then I go into my acrylic, we're gonna use clear, and we pick up our pearl with it, when we go to put it down, it's gonna be kind of gooey and won't want to mold very well. It wants to stick to the brush. And once we do get it down, it's gonna take forever to dry. So this is the key to using liquid art properly. We're gonna take regular monomer and we're gonna add it to our dapping dish. This one I'm gonna fill almost all the way up. And this one I'm gonna fill up about halfway, so we can show you the different shades of red you can get. Take our dropper, and I'm just going to apply 1 drop to this one, and we're gonna do about 6 drops to this one. 6 or 7. Take a brush, I'm gonna stir it around. We're gonna show you what this color looks like with clear, with pink, and with glitter. So we're going to pick up our clear. This is going to give us just a nice, light, see-through red. Now I'm going to use frosted pink, and what I used the liquid art a lot with pinks. Some clients want a really hot pink on their nail bed. So you can customize all your pinks just with liquid art. Put it down. And walk it out. One of my favorite things though to use liquid art with was my glitters. So I had a whole collection of glitters, but I could make that collection even expand even more just by switching it up with liquid art. So we're going to pick up our light red. We're using just an iridescent glitter mix I have. Apply it to the nail. We get a beautiful light pink see-through glitter look. So now I'm going to show the same looks with the clear, the pink, and the glitter, but I'm going to use the more rich liquid art mix. Now we're going to use it with the pink. And finally, we're going to use it with the glitter. So here is the range. We have our tips that we've used with just regular straight monomer. We have our light pink version, and then we have our really pigmented pink version here. So on the pink, it's really hard to kind of see on film, but this is a transparent pink. When we used it with the frosted pink, it's an opaque pink. And then of course with the glitter, we have our transparent pink with glitter. Same thing here. If we pick this up, you would actually see through this. It would look like a Jolly Rancher red. With the pink, again, it's gonna be opaque. It really intensified it. Basically just made it a red acrylic. And this one, if we picked up again, you would see it. You would see that it was transparent, just a really hot pink with glitter. So what we showed you here is it's kind of a light version to a dark version, but obviously there's so many different ranges you can use. We used it with frosted pink acrylic, but you could use it with cover pink, and you can obtain any pink you desire. So the one thing I'll tell you is make sure you put a cap on it. Don't leave the dropper in here because you're gonna swear that somebody in your shop is stealing your product. It is monomer, it will evaporate. We showed you the basics of liquid art. Have fun with it. It's about experimenting. You can add the blue to the red to get purple. You add the blue and the yellow, you get green. You can get the different ranges of color. You get that clear Jolly Rancher look, or you can change up your glitters. So the most important thing is make sure you charge for it and have fun.